Can you tell us how did you start as an entrepreneur and of course as a host of online shops?
So basically, I started sales in general since when I was 40 years old. So currently right now, I'm 26. So it's been like more than a decade since selling random things. I started selling through OLX, Facebook Marketplace. This is very the general like online e-commerce, like things will happen here in the Philippines. And then later on, I learned how to sell on platforms like the Orange Shop and the Black Apps. And then 3 years ago, I and my friend Michael Cordovis decided to start an agency, and my role was basically to train people how to sell. And
Because
then
you were pretty good at it.
I felt confident. I felt like I really know how. For example, when
Hello?
for example, when you go to an exam and you really feel that you can dominate that exam.
Yeah.
That's the same feeling that I had when I was there. And then there was a time, it was holidays, so everybody was on the day off. And there was no live streamer. So there was no choice but myself. So I then decided to go live, and that first live became super viral. That's already 3 years ago. So, and that was the start of everything. And then I decided to name myself Kuya James so that people can remember me more better. And because James is too common. There's a lot of James. And my surname, Afante, is actually very rare. So it's very hard for people to remember. So that's why I named myself Kuya James.
All right, and of course you're into affiliate marketing right now, which some folks tend to think of affiliate marketing as complicated rather than selling their own goods. So you won't have like middleman or someone who would want to get percentage off of your efforts. Has that come across your mind, or can you tell us why you prefer affiliate marketing?
That's actually a very good question. So a lot of people always ask me, James, why don't you release your own product? Because you're good at selling.
Yeah.
Why you do that? So when I was doing e-commerce, when I was in the other platforms way back then, I always import my own inventory. The biggest problem when you're investing your own money in inventory is what if something bad really happens? You basically have a dead stock in your warehouse and basically making you lose more money. Rather than making yourself an affiliate, you don't have rather than making yourself an affiliate, you don't have a risk of capital. At the same time, whenever a product, let's say, we call it a hot cake product, sells very, very well, the limitation is not based on your capital. It's basically based on the brand itself, which is way bigger than your personal capital, which I'm pretty sure a lot of people can relate. Because I myself also is a small businessman, and sometimes, imagine you can sell 1,000 pieces by using affiliate marketing rather than selling 100 pieces by using your own capital. You can earn bigger by selling through affiliate marketing.
So does that mean that the limitations actually scare you more, you think?
Yes. So it's since honestly really I can really see a product if it will really sell. So I really look into the scalability of the product as well on how much can we actually really sell.
Okay. Now, I've taken a look at your social media following and handles. Of course, 9 million is a huge number. You're probably more than that right now. Can you tell us how were you able to put yourself in a status like you're the #1 seller right now on the platform? How did that all happen? And how does that feel for you?
So how did it all happen? Honestly, sometimes I also don't know. But one thing is for sure that I really do compare myself to other people who also do the same as me. Of course, everybody has competitors. I really put the work, extra work actually. Like even here, when we were setting up this stage, I was also part of the production design.
Mhm.
I was also the IT department of this.
You were creating scripts when I saw you.
Yeah. I was creating I was double checking the prices. I was really paying attention to every detail that I could possibly think of as a concern, which can later on be a tool for us to perform better. So, and I always listen to people, particularly my followers, because the reason why we have followers is because they are there. So what we are doing is not actually for us, it's for them. So what they want is actually what I must do. So what product do they want? Is, for example, as you can see here, there's a lot of products, but these products were actually being requested by our followers. And these are the products that they have been consistently buying through the months, through this year. And since this is 12/12, this is the last biggest time of the year, I really made sure that we will offer the best so that we can also maybe have them in their Noche Buenas, since we also know the prices are like really rising right now. So we're taking advantage of platforms, particularly because they can give us vouchers, which is a very unique thing that you can get online compared to offline.
All right. So what's gonna happen on Cold Call? Can you give us like a ballpark figure? Because right now, all the things that I'm seeing right now in this particular area are really like really good stuff. How were you able to get a hold of this? And what's gonna happen on Cold Call particularly?
So basically, 12 is gonna be the biggest live in the whole Philippines in terms of live commerce itself. I really believe that through these efforts, honestly, talking to a lot of brands is like crazy. So like all of the blue chip brands, the top brands that you can imagine, of, particularly in FMCG and electronics, everything is already here. They can save a lot of money. They can get free shipping, of course, cash on delivery. They can also get a chance to win 4 brand new motorcycles and 2 tricycles. If they
That's
check
the one
out
that's
anything.
behind you.
Yes, basically. So, just fun fact, this came from my own money. So I spent my own money here just to also give back to the support that our followers gave really to us this year.
I want to ask a showbiz question, but they're probably be able to handle that.
Can I drink water lang po?
Hi James, I'm Nas from IT. Paano nag-start yung partnership mo with Shopee naman?
I was actually a shopping seller, an orange shop seller way back then. We call it the Orange app. So I'm really familiar, and I'm also a loyal buyer ever since on the Orange app. Especially because, like even in the normal days, there's voucher, right? I'm sure everybody can relate, and free shipping is like already default. So and we had like an experiment way back 6/6. Then everything went well. Our first live became the record breaking in the whole live history in the whole like Philippines and Southeast Asia already. So we decided to, what if we continue collaborating, and then before we started in a room, like a simple living room, but now we are in a very big studio. I think this is like a reality show already. So, and I'm also very like happy because our partners, not just the Orange Shop, but also the brands, were very collaborative as well. So very thankful of that.
Matagal ka na rin nag-online selling. So, meron ka bang parang products na surprisingly na mabenta?
Ay, grabe. In terms of mabenta, yung mga cellphone talaga, as in, grabe, I don't know, for some reason, when I go outside, one thing I realize, not everybody has a smartphone. Or 2 out of 10 people sira cellphone. Or 3 out of 10 people gusto magpalit ng cellphone or nababagana sa cellphone. And with the effort that we are doing, parang nakapag-provide tayo ng chance na magkapag-upgrade sila sa mas murang halaga. It's the latest na cellphone na gusto talaga nila. So pinakasikat yung mga Poco, mga Tecno, Samsung, Oppo, yung very mass talaga na brands. Even actually like mga, we call it the Mansanas, very popular din po yan. Also yung mga smart TV na yun, grabe yun, yung Xiaomi Smart TV na yan. We sell thousands of pieces in every stream. Like imagine, like that's like containers of TVs that is happening online. And that's free shipping nationwide. And imagine you can get that smart TV, Google TV actually, already a more advanced smart TV for only 5,000 pesos. Like, maybe you guys will also check out later.
And, hi James. Kasi nabanggit mo kanina, bata ka palang nagbebenta. Kailan mo na nakita yung gift mo for selling? Kasi sabi nila kahit gaano kaganda yung product, pag hindi ka marunong magbenta, mahirap eh.
So, I think in terms of selling skill, one thing most people actually experience when they're selling, they treat selling as a competition. But for me, I treat it like a game. So, whenever I feel like it's a game, it just feels you need to spend more time. Like for example, in gaming, you need to spend more time to get better. You need to do it more often to level up. Same goes in live selling. I do it every month. So I just feel like I can explain a product easily, even to a grade 1 student. That's why people can really understand why this product exists. Like for example, the smart TV that I explained to you, it's like in just 5 seconds you understand what's the selling point of the product. So, and I think the foundation of this skill is really, I really study the product itself, and I really filter the product that is being sold in our streams. So a brand can go partner with us and pay, but I can reject when their product is actually not good. So I can assure that our buyers are actually getting what they're paying for. So it should be brand new. It should be. It should have warranties. The brand should be reputable, and most importantly, I myself has tested or tasted the product.
Were there particular products na nung una inisip mo mahirap ibenta pero nabenta mo pa rin?
Oh yes. Bra.
So paano?
I was surprised. Like it outperformed underwear of men when I was doing live stream for Bench. Like we sold 2,000 pieces of bra.
Wow.
And I was like, what? So I never thought of selling bra, but
Yeah, effective.
wow.
And ano yung i-expect sa 12/12 Super Sale? Aside from yung mga ipamimigay mo
Okay,
rin.
12/12, they can expect up to 70-80% discount. Really. It's really crazy. Like, the deals that they can really see in our live is gonna be the lowest guaranteed price, like across the whole Philippines. I can assure people of that. And then they can, of course, get free shipping, cash on delivery, no problem, 100%. All products are brand new. And again, we call it pasabog. We have a lot of like goodies outside that, we just created actually content out of the last 2 winners. We made 11/11 live. We gave away 2 motors, and we already gave it away. We documented everything. And then this time we made it triple. And then, of course, everybody needs a more flexible way of paying. We also have a SPay later, which you can buy products without using credit cards at 0% interest up to 6 months.
Habol ko lang, na-curious ako. Naaral mo ba kung may profile ba yung pinakamarami sa mga nanonood sa'yo pag nagla-live ka?
Yes, actually, I really understand that most of the people that I'm really engaging with is the masa. Masa po talaga siya. So that's why, as you can see, all the products here are, like, pag mapadaan ka sa live mo, posible po talaga wala ka mabili. Like, everything you use daily or every other day, I'm pretty sure. So, yun po talaga yung target, yung pangangailangan po talaga araw-araw.
Araw-araw. Salamat.
Hey, mabuhay.
Buhay!
Ay, congrats. You're
Thank you.
hosting the parang biggest live stream ba for
Yes.
this year? How do you feel? And then, what kind of involvement you had in mounting this biggest live stream?
So, since day 01 pa lang ng ingress, we started ingressing this 12:01 a.m. ng December 10. We were here 3 days straight, like 18 hours per day. So, nakakapagod, but okay lang kasi marami nag-a-about, nandiyan yung supporta ng mga followers natin. Nakaka-pressure kasi grabe, first time ko mag-live sa ganito. Like,
Oo nga, ang dami.
never pa nga ako naka-experience, nakapasok sa mga studio ng ABS or ABS. So, but, wala eh, kakaiba. So parang, actually, parang yung feeling ko mamaya, parang may tsunami na parating na hindi ko alam kung gano'n siya kalaki. So basta mamaya tatama na lang siya sa akin. So, nakaka-excited at the same time nakakatuwa. Kasi, I'm pretty sure marami talaga tayong tutulungan talaga in terms of
Paano mo siya ibibenta ng ganito kadami? Like, how will the live stream go like? Ano ba ito, parang mag-iikot ka? Paano siya?
So yes, as you can see, maraming mga brands dyan.
Oo nga, tapos kinilala mo lang.
Yes, yes. So, kabisado ko talaga yan. As you can see here, actually, I even have like a list. So, talagang ako mismo nagsusulat talaga yan. So, we have a total of, for today only, not including tomorrow, 178 pieces of products. Tomorrow it's gonna be maybe 300. So, total of products from today and tomorrow is 500.
Galing naman ang memory mo.
Hindi kaya ano po talaga kapis. So yun, iiputan ko siya bawat isa. Explain ko, tapos bibigyan ko sila ng 15 to 20 seconds para mag-check out. Kailangan ko kasi sobrang dami naghihintay talaga.
And last na lang, like, kanino mo to, like, kanino mo i-dedicate itong success na to in your live stream journey?
So number one, I'm dedicating this of course sa family ko. Especially sa mami ko. Yun naman yung reason ko ever since nagtatrabaho talaga ako and I work hard. Because I really want to give the best life for sa family. And second is yung followers. Na-realize ko since they gave me this influence, they actually gave me this one. So it's my purpose actually maybe in the Philippines talaga to utilize my selling skill at the same time my business relations para mabigyan sila ng mas mababang presyo everyday na nag-live ako. So, third of course, I'm doing this for everybody that's working here. We are able to provide food sa families nila, consistent na trabaho, and siguro pangapat na yung sarili ko para din makuha ko din yung mga pangarap ko rin sa buhay.
Marami pa. Bata pa. 26 ano na?
26 ko. Baka 26 ko na November 4.
Grabe.
Delete na dapat.
Thank you po. Salamat.
Congrats.
So,
Hello.
I'm Swan from Chikatana. Yung tanong ko, James, napredict mo ba yung award na number 1 seller? And reaction na?
Actually, hindi ko siya predict kasi I was not really able to really see other nangyayari kasi sobrang busy po talaga. So I really just focus sa ginagawa ko po. And then,
Ganda numbers ko.
yun, nagulat din po ako nun.
Congrats. Then, paano nabago yung buhay mo at lifestyle?
Okay.
Like said.
So before, pupunta ako, for example, pupunta ako Divisoria 3 days ago. Pupunta ako Divisoria para maghanap ng produkto. May pupunta tayo Divisoria para maghanap ng bibigyan ng regalo. Iba na yung purpose. Mas naging maingat din of course kasi makulit po talaga akong tao. So medyo kailangan discipline kasi pag nasa labas. Yun. So, pero I can say naman, yung mga followers ko naman, mabait naman sila. So hindi naman ako parang artista na parang pag nasa labas, ganun. Pag nasa labas, uy, Kuya James, ito. Parang magtotropa lang kami lahat. Parang magkakapit bahay lang kami ng mga followers ko. So ganun yun.
Natandaan mo ba yung una mo na benta?
Pinakauna kong nabenta, doing live, nagbenta ako ng wipes. Wipes. Shoe wipes. Malinis na yung sapatos. Yun pa yung pinakauna.
And yung unang sahod mo, kung sa tuition,
Doon ko po na-feel na sabi ko, mas okay itong gawin yung affiliate marketing kasi wala akong nilalabas sa puhunan. And then wala akong iniisip magbalot. Kasi pagka-order, pagka-live mo sa
Sila.
sarili ko, papalutin mo yun, ganyan, 24/7. So, unlike pag nilive mo itong mga products na to, pero bukasan, yung warehouse na po nila yung bahala. So, mas scalable mo talaga. Ako, benta na ako ng benta. So, nangyari po kasi dati pag nag-live ako, pag sobrang dami ng orders, hindi ako nakakapag-live kinabukasan. Kasi nalilimit na talaga ako. Or wala akong stocks, or wala akong pera. Kasi pag ship mo yung products, iikot pa yan eh. Usually, 2 to 3 weeks yan bago bumalik sa'yo. So, nalilimit ka. Unlike pag nagbebenta ka na ito, kahit araw-arawin mo actually, pero di ko kaya.
Ah.
Thank you po, salamat.
Paano mo i-describe yung website mo?
Ngayon, magiging sobrang saya siya. Sobrang saya. Meron kaming tagline dito, paunahan, pagaling at pabilisan. So, sigurado ako masasold out yung mga products kasi sobrang mura talaga. And again, may mananalo ng 4 na motor, brand new to. Yung dalawang tricycle, pinagawa ko pa yan. Kasi wala naman talaga nabibiling ganyan. So, pina-customate, pina-deliver ko na dito sa studio. And then, kahit wala silang planong bumili, bibili sila. Kasi sobrang mura po talaga. Tapos mga pang-regalo, holiday season, marami silang makukuha sa live natin ng mura. So, tapos hassle-free, sobrang traffic sa labas. Hindi nila kailangan lumabas, i-deliver na lang po sa bahay nila, cash on delivery pa. May SP later pa sakaling installment kailangan nila.
5 years from now, paano yung nakikita yung pag-ibig ng mga pets?
5 years back na siguro kasama ko na mali mo, we are collaborating na with other international artists. Kasi ganun po nangyayari sa ibang bansa eh. For example sa China. Like, ibig sila LeBron James, kasama sa live.
Oh my God.
Sila Dwayne Wade, kasama sa live. So, mali mo po ganun. Mag-open to ng mas bigger entertainment opportunity. Kasi hindi lang naman po ito benta-benta. Actually, it's also actually entertainment. Kasi ang saya po talaga manood ng live. Para ka na nagpa-party, nag-enjoy, nagtatawa na lang po kami dito, may music. So, 5 years from now, mali mo, baka sa Pilipinas na rin na tayo mag-live.
Last na lang, ano po yung message nyo sa mga
Bilisan ninyo guys, kasi be on time kayo 8 p.m. dapat, 12, 11, 8 p.m. and 12, 12 p.m. tanghalik dapat on time kayo. Kasi limited lang din po talaga yung stocks. Although marami tayong stocks, pero we are predicting 2 million to 3 million individual viewers. So, yung mga stocks natin, isipin mo kung maghahati-hati yung 2 to 3 million, medyo mauubos po talaga siya. So, we are predicting for the first 1 to 2 hours, marami nang sold out na product. So, bilisan nila, pagplanuhan nila maigi kung ano yung bibili nila para pagdating sa live, diretso check out na talaga sila.
Question lang. How talaga yung next week?
Okay, so for tonight's live, for December 11, it's gonna be 8 p.m. to 1 a.m. Sa lubong po kasi ito ng 12. Okay, parang New Year, no? So, tapos tomorrow naman po, 12 mismo, tanghaling tapat, di ba? 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. po yung 6 hours. So tonight is 5 hours, tomorrow is 6 hours.
Ikaw lahat sa 5 hours.
Ako po lahat yun.
Okay. May mangyayari ba sa pagsalubong sa 12 midnight? May special?
So, usually po, kinaugalian na po talaga ng Pilipino na pag double digit, doon nila check out, piniplace mo. Ina-add to cart muna nila yan eh. Like, from gabi, tapos i-check out nila yan on the 12 midnight para ma-sure nila na they can get the lowest price kasi doon na po yung vouchers magbabagsakan lahat.
So change ko yung price from 11 p.m. iba yung price ako.
Minsan yung mga platforms nanggugulat sila eh. So I really suggest na tumutok talaga sila kasi maraming nangyayari na like minsan may mga presyo na wala dito sa price list ko, minsan bumaba pa na sobra eh, hindi ko rin maintindihan eh. So yun yung actually exciting part ng buying online. A lot of things can happen. Minsan may surprise din sa amin yung platform. So kaya parang kami excited din para sa kanila.
Uber Brief kasi it's not just live stream, may entertainment factor. So yung mga tao ba kayo matatambay lang maghahanap ng video?
So actually so for today, it's me and we call her Ate Rivera. Nandito siya. Siya yung co-host natin today. So pag nagbanggaan din kami kasi ng script, sobrang nakakatawa talaga siya. Yun yung nagiging entertainment part. Kung paano namin naiisipan ng skip yung isang produkto. Tapos kinabukasan marami tayong mga guests. So may mga ibang mga content creators na sila yung posted yung tawag isa na parang binibentahan nila ako. For example, tatanungin mo, magkano ba yung ketchup mo? Mahal naman, baba naman yung presyo, mga something gano'n. Tapos nandun si Jasper Diongson. So isang sikat na host din po siya. So yun, I'm also like excited kasi I have never been into a live na ganun karami yung post. But this 12-12 talaga in-all-in talaga namin siya.
So may answer din, hindi na nakabenta.
Hindi, medyo, minsan ka di mo mararamdaman, naka-check out ka na. Kasi talagang nakakatawa talaga siya.
Last question, SPA, is it eligible?
Okay.
Products?
So every product is eligible for SP Leader. SPay later stands for itself, pay later. So they can pay the product 3 months 0% interest, 6 months 0% interest. The maximum we can do is 24 months depending on the brand and the product arrangement itself. We also have partnership with multiple like credit cards, pwede rin po yun, 0% installment din po after 24 months. But sino yung eligible? Usually mga frequent buyers. So if wala pa silang SPay, I really recommend na mag-done checkout na sila mag-done checkout para magkaroon sila ng SPay later.
So it will be, may offer sa SPay later sa Shopee account mo na pwede mo.
Lalabas na lang po yun doon. Yes. Automatic siya kung ano yung pwede sa'yo. So the more loyal you are, the better. And the higher your credit limit is.
May exclusive discounts for SPay later na hindi makukuha ng ordinary?
Meron minsan. Meron po minsan, lumalabas na lang po siya because it's a site-wide platform-based eh. So yung mga part na yun, bigla na lang siya lumalabas. Kaya po inaabangan actually lang sa pag-12 daw sa lubong kasi biglang may ganun po nangyayari. So, yun po.
Thank you.
May pahabol lang ako.
Sige po.
With the confidence, yung experience and all, may nag-offer na ba sa'yo mag-artista? Or open ka ba?
Number 1 artista, wala. Number 2, open.
Open. Okay.
Open naman. As long as kaya pa ng oras.
Okay. But James, are you married? Can you tell us a little bit more about
So
yourself?
I'm single, not married. So, yeah.
Bata pa siya.
Sige.
Anong
Busy po
pinakamahal
eh.
na product sa lahat?
Oh,
Pinakamahal.
Ganito na lang. Can you tell us like 5 items that you'll be selling today and tell us why do we have to have it?
Okay. Number one focus is 7-1. It's from almost 5,000 pesos sa mall. Right now sa live natin 2,000 plus na lang. It's like 50% discount. Second is the smart TVs. It's really affordable right now. Ang like SRP niyan umaabot ng 10 to 11,000. Sa live natin later 5,300 pesos free shipping. Tablets, we have all the best-selling tablets in the Philippines. Xiaomi, Huawei, Samsung, as low as 4,000 pesos. You can buy a brand new tablet sa live.
They are in the same price range?
4 to 6,000. Doon sila naglalaro, depende sa brand.
Alright.
We also have like air fryers, grabe. Sobrang ganda. From 1,500 pesos SRP, we can sell it later for 900 pesos. Like air fryer is like very good for gifts. Like super appreciated kasi ang laki niya, tignan.
And it's for a family.
Yeah, and for the last one siguro, we also have like groceries, no? Like in general, like 50 to 70% discount, buy two take two deals, like really crazy, sobrang mura po talaga sila. So from electronics to appliances to even shoes, actually pang-anim pala, so first time ko bumili ng shoes. Like first one was 1,000 pesos, meron ka ng brand new rubber shoes. So then depende na po yun sa kanila pag namili sila kung ano yung gusto nilang design. But basically, this is like an online mall na po. So, yun po yung nangyayari.
The one behind you, I'm really interested.
Oh!
That's the best-selling
So this is actually a
item
very trendy product right now. So this is called the Kodak Charmera. A lot of people are looking for this. You can treat this as a labubu camera because basically, if you buy this, you will get a surprise on which color or variant you will get. And there's also a secret, which is the translucent version. So this sells outside for 3,500. For my life, I think it will be 2,700 only per piece.
Okay. How did you get supply for that? Because that's
Very rare.
very sold in most cameras.
I really beg into the brand. Like please. I think a lot of buyer will. So we only have 800 pieces of this. So I think it will really sell out later.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Good luck.
Okay.